Merge two Excel files using a common column. I have two Excel sheets. I have to merge the two such that the values in one match with the other. For e.g., notice that in the first column of the second Excel, 2 is missing, so I want the first Excel to look like this. I am new to Excel. Any help on this will be highly appreciated.
I have placed the data from the first Excel on sheet 1, and the second Excel on sheet 2. The key to this solution is the VLOOKUP function. First we insert a column. We then use the VLOOKUP function to look up the value of 1 in sheet 2. We specify 2 as the value of the third parameter, meaning we want the value of the second column in the array. Also notice the use of the dollar symbols to fix the array. This will be important when we fill down. Note the contents of sheet 2. In order to display a blank, instead of NA, as in your problem statement, we can wrap the VLOOKUP function in the IFERA function. Final result.
You can also use query from Excel files. Define name for the first Excel table, Formulas tab and GT. Define name. Define name for second Excel table. Go to Data tab, select from Other Sources and from the drop-down, select from Microsoft Query. Select your workbook file and confirm that you want to merge the columns manually. In the following window query, from Excel files, drag and amp. Drop the first column of first table into the first column of second table. A link between these columns will be created. Go to File menu, click Return Data to MS Office Excel, and Import Data dialog will pop up. Select the sheet into which you would like the matched data to be imported. Click OK and GT. You should see match data with columns from both tables. Or if you don't mind uploading your files to an online service, you can use for example this URL and merge the sheets using drag and amp, drop. Disclaimer: I am author of the tool. Hope this helps.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.